You don't see many campers built like this anymore. Today we're talking about the Toyota Grand Hiace EDDY motorhome. Not hype, not guessing, just how this camper actually works in real life and why people still hunt for it years after it stopped production. This is a Japanese-built motorhome converted by Annex Corporation, a company known for doing things properly. No flashy gimmicks, no fake luxury, just solid engineering, smart space use, and reliability that Toyota is famous for. This motorhome is built on the Toyota Grand Hiace, and under the hood is the legendary 3.4-liter V6 petrol engine, the 5VZ FE. The transmission is automatic, so driving it feels relaxed, especially on long trips. And even though it's a motorhome, it doesn't feel massive on the road. Overall length is around 18 feet, height roughly 9 feet. That means it's compact enough to maneuver without feeling like you're wrestling a truck, yet tall enough inside to actually live in. Now step inside, and this is where the EDDY really starts to make sense. The first thing you notice is the standing height. You can stand fully upright around 6 feet 8 inches inside. That alone puts it ahead of many van-based campers where you're constantly bending or ducking. The interior feels open, not cramped, and that's a big deal if you're spending more than just a night inside. Annex built the camper body using a full fiberglass shell with an aluminum frame. This isn't cheap construction. Fiberglass helps with insulation, durability, and long-term resistance to rust and leaks. Now let's talk about the layout, because this is where the EDDY is genuinely clever. This particular version is often called the shorty layout, and it's highly modular. That means you can change how the space works depending on what you need that day. Up front, above the cab, there's a large cab-over bed. This isn't a tiny emergency bed. It's a proper sleeping area, roughly 74 inches by 72.5 inches. That's wide enough for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. It's fixed, always ready, and doesn't require setting anything up at night. Below that, you have the dinette area. The front seats swivel around, so when you're parked, the driver and passenger seats become part of the living space. This makes the interior feel much bigger than it actually is. You're not wasting space. Everything has a purpose. The dinette itself can convert into another bed. So now you've got sleeping space without sacrificing daytime usability. Eat, work, relax during the day, sleep comfortably at night. Towards the rear, this model often comes with bunk beds. And here's the smart part. Those rear bunks are removable. If you're traveling with kids or friends, you keep them installed. If you're traveling with bikes, camping gear, camera equipment, or outdoor tools, you remove them and suddenly you have a massive gear garage inside the camper. That flexibility is rare, especially in a compact motorhome like this. You're not locked into one layout forever. The camper adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. The kitchen area is compact but functional. There's a built-in sink, counter space for basic meal prep, and storage nearby. This isn't a luxury apartment kitchen. It's designed for real camping use. Make breakfast, cook simple meals, wash up, and move on. Simple, efficient, and practical. What really stands out is how balanced this motorhome feels. It's not trying to impress with screens and lights. It's focused on usability. Every inch is used properly, and nothing feels wasted. Storage is everywhere, but it's done properly. Overhead cabinets run throughout the interior, giving you space for clothes, food, tools, and essentials without cluttering the floor. Everything feels intentional, not stuffed in as an afterthought. Now Now, let's talk about the bathroom, because this is something people always ask about. Yes, the Toyota Grand Hiace EDDY does have a washroom, and it's designed in the classic Japanese RV style, compact, smart, and practical. It's a full wet bath, meaning the toilet and shower share the same space. The entire area is waterproof, so when you shower, you're not worrying about water going everywhere. The walls and floor are built for it, and it's meant to be used, not avoided. The toilet is a cassette-style unit, which is common in campers like this. It's simple, easy to empty, and works well for road trips and off-grid travel. You're not dependent on campsites just to use the bathroom, which adds a lot of freedom. The shower is compact but functional. You won't get luxury hotel space, but you can shower comfortably, especially when you're camping in remote areas. For longer city stays, many owners prefer using campground or gym showers and save the onboard shower for when it really matters. What's important is that the bathroom doesn't feel like an afterthought. It's integrated properly into the layout, sealed, and usable in real conditions. When you need it, it's there, simple, clean, and effective. The walls are insulated, and this camper is designed for four-season use. Cold weather, hot weather, it's built to handle both. The windows are double-paned and insulated, which helps keep the interior temperature stable and cuts down on noise. When you're parked somewhere windy or cold, that insulation actually matters. It's the difference between enjoying the trip and cutting it short. On the outside, there's a roll-out awning, which instantly gives you a shaded outdoor living space. Park somewhere nice, roll it out, set up chairs, and suddenly your living area doubles without adding any effort. Driving-wise, the Grand Hiace platform keeps things smooth. The V6 has enough power to move the camper confidently without feeling strained. On highways, it cruises comfortably. On rougher roads, the 4WD system gives you peace of mind. You don't feel like you're pushing the vehicle beyond its limits. And because it's Toyota-based, maintenance and reliability are a huge advantage. The 5VZ FE engine is known globally, parts are available, and mechanics are familiar with it. That matters if you're traveling far from major cities. If you know Toyotas, you already know the reputation. This engine is known for being smooth, durable, and long-lasting. It's the kind of engine people trust to cross countries, not just drive to campsites. Most of these came with full-time four-wheel drive, and that completely changes how you can use this camper. Snow, rain, mud, gravel roads, forest tracks. This thing isn't scared of them. It's not pretending to be an off-road monster, but it's confident, stable, and planted, which matters a lot when you're carrying your home with you. Another important detail, this camper was built for the Japanese market, which means quality standards are high. Japanese RV builders like Annex are known for attention to detail, precise fitting, and long-term durability. These campers weren't rushed or mass-produced cheaply. Even though production ran mainly from around 2000 to 2004, the design still holds up today. It doesn't feel outdated because it wasn't built around trends. It was built around function. This motorhome is perfect for someone who wants freedom without driving a massive RV. It fits into more places, feels more manageable, and still gives you real living comfort. You can take it into cities, park it more easily, and still escape into nature when you want. It's also ideal for people who care about build quality more than flashy looks. The EDDY doesn't shout, it quietly delivers. If you're into off-grid travel, winter camping, or long road trips where reliability matters more than luxury branding, this camper makes a lot of sense. It's a machine designed to work, not just to look good in photos. And that's why even today, people search for the Toyota Grand Hiace EDDY. It earned its reputation by doing the basics extremely well. No nonsense. No shortcuts. Just solid engineering, smart design, and real-world usability. So that's the Toyota Grand Hiace EDDY, a compact motorhome that proves you don't need massive size or flashy extras to travel comfortably. It's built on reliability, smart design, and real-world usability, and that's exactly why it still gets respect today. If you're into campers that actually work, not just look good on paper, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoy honest camper breakdowns like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.